thing to do is to solder the wire onto the switch. Now you should have a base with the black plastic base on and the threaded spacer there secured in place, and the switch goes through the base like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to solder the wire, some wire onto the switch and then pass it through the base. So it doesn't matter what colour you use, I'm just going to use some red wire. Cut two wires about 10 centimeters long. I'm going to cut it like that, put them together so they're both the same length, and then I need to use the wire strippers. So about 1 centimetre off one end and 1/2 centimetre off the other, like that, and then 1/2 centimetre off that end. The centimetre end we'll put to the switch, the 1/2 centimetre end will solder onto the circuit board, like that, and then 1/2 centimetre. So this is quite tricky to do. The switch is quite large and got a large piece of copper, so it might take a bit of time to heat up. So twist the wires together nice and neat, like this, and poke it through from the inside, poking outwards like that, just so the two wires don't end up touching, and then just bend it over about halfway like that. Now this is quite tricky to do, we've got to try and keep it straight, so put the other clip, the other one there, in the helping hand to hold it steady. If you can, try and maneuver the wire so it's kind of straight if you can. Now like I said, this is going to take a bit of time to heat up, so probably about 5 seconds, but get the soldering on the wire and on the connection, like there. And then just gently melt some solder on. By blowing on it, it cools it down quicker, and that's okay. I mean, I might trim a little bit of that wire off there, like that, and then turn it over, like this, and again take the one that you've soldered you've stripped 1 centimetre off. I'm just twizzling it around like that. I'm holding the wire and twizzling the other end. So from the centre outwards like that, bend it over like that, place the other wire that's been soldered on into the helping hand, and like I said, try and hold it straight or place it in straight. Get your partner to help you do it. 1, 2, 3. Just test a bit of solder and see what happens. There you go. If it moves, just heat it up again and position it, and then blow on it. And the blowing action, like I said, will make it cool down. Then trim that off. Then take the wires, twist the wires neatly together like that. And then the last thing to do is feed the wires through the hole like that. And then push your switch in place like that. And then we're ready to move on to the next bit.